After double murder photo goes viral, students rise in anger. Many students hurt. State government says murder case of 2 students handed over to CBI. Investigation on, appeals to public to remain calm. And 6 student bodies of Manipur condemned brutal murder of 2 innocent students. Hello and welcome to Northeast Window. This is CELINA giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. In what could be termed as a horrific development during the ongoing crisis in Manipur, photos showing bodies of 2 students who went missing on July 6th emerged on social media last evening. The before and after murder photos of Phizam Hemanjit, age 20, and Hizam Linthoingambi, age 17, who were suspected to have been kidnapped and killed by Q terrorists went viral on social media after almost 2 months on September 25th. The photos that shows a duo with 2 armed Q terrorists behind them and the bodies of the 2 students lying on the ground sparked massive outrage among students and people of Manipur at large. Large number of police and RAF personnel stopped the anguished students of CC Higher Secondary School as they marched towards the CM bungalow, shouting slogans such as "We want justice, long live Manipur." The security forces fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to disperse the students after a moment of confrontation. Irate students of TG Higher Secondary School too tried to storm CM bungalow. Scuffle erupted between the students and security forces, injuring a girl student severely in the calf as his police fired tear gas shells directly at the students to disperse them. A boy also sustained injury on his leg in the clash, while many other students also sustained injuries. The injured students have been rushed to RIMS, Jenims and Raj Medicity. Students of Iboton Sana Girls Higher Secondary also took to street condemning the murder of Hemanjit and Linthoingambi and demanding justice. Students of DM College too staged protests at DM University compound against the brutal murder by Q terrorist.
Magi langlanjin achum madu puthokpiyo habani kaigumba atuba matamda langlanjin puthokpiyo taragadi akoi satra singi oiba akan bai thaw hojlakani haidi kaigumba community gi irang asida satra yahon bagi mathau kasu tade aduna government na natagana central government na mani akoi gi satra singi taliba dimanasi ya atuba matamda ya hanmi ara akoi ngasi ya akoi hujik siam banglo phau chake tabani da akoi central state port ka central port kana thingam bi yam ngai akoi na thingba thangbi do akoi na chatan ba photo chachage akoi ya sathina hisa tawge habdi nati akoi yam sam samna release chake habani masida ya sarkara thingbi basi yam ngai jade ya ka bai je kari gi na khoi ha pa mi ra ha ke ga nong mai duna thira thamaga ha lo law kunna ko mi khara pha han gari da ira ka yam thokri dana amus kun ka han bi de amus satra hat to ge bhai ya mi khar se te la ba thwe ma de khoi student ri ke ya khoi ge integrity khoi ma khoi gari de ka se je thonga ye lai tra ba ji ka na bi de khoi na khoi na khoi na ba je se ke ya ka no ya chi ba se ta ba khoi ba ma khoi student na khoi na ba uti ma brain sa pa chi na thu de ya skap chale khoi sa na sumba peaceful na ba ke thabak to ba ji da achu ya na je ni se kai gi no ba
On the other hand, a late-night notice last night from the Chief Minister's Secretariat regarding the case said the government has handed over the case to CBI as per the wishes of the people. The government's notification further says that a joint team of state police and central security force are working together to find the culprits behind the heinous crime. The government also assured the public that the culprits will be given befitting punishment at the earliest. It is the government's stand to award the most befitting punishment to the culprits, aided the notification. In the interim, it appealed to the public to remain calm and let the authorities concerned do its duty diligently. 6 student bodies of Manipur have expressed strong condemnations over the heinous crime perpetrated on young students of Manipur by Kuki terrorists. In a press statement, the 6 student bodies, including MSF, DSAM, KSA, SUK and AMPS, maintained that the torture and killings of civilians, including students by Kuki militants under Sioux agreement with the Government of India, should be stopped immediately. The statement continued that the violence that hit the state since May 3rd is a ploy of the Government of India, aiding that the divide and rule policy of the center should be stopped at once. It further demanded that the implementations of different laws in the hills and the valley too must end, and the state and the central government must book the culprits and award befitting punishment at the earliest. The statement also questioned the silence and inactions of the government over the violence that has lasted for the last 5 months in the state, and asked how many more civilians that the government will allow to be killed. Delhi Associations of Manipur Muslim Students (DAMS) also has demanded justice for 𝐍𝐸𝐻𝐸 and 𝐍𝐸𝐻𝐸. In a press statement issued by its president Pusham Amin Shah, DAMS said the violence, which has lasted for almost 5 months, has gone so far beyond humanity. The pictures of the 2 students who had been missing since 6th of July 2023, now trending on social media, indicates huge possibility of being murdered mercilessly. Demanding the central government and state government for proper investigations into this heinous crime, DAMS maintained that the dead bodies should be handed over to the respective families for their last rituals. It also demanded immediate arrest and befitting punishments to be awarded to those involved in this heinous crime. Lamyanbai Irabot Ningsing Thorum Observations Committee Lintok, under the aegis of Protections and Preservation Committee (PPCM), observed the 72nd death anniversary of Lamyanbai Hizim Irabot at Wahingbam Laikai Yumjau Lairembi today. Convener of PPCM, PH Nando Luang, convener of Lintok, KH Gopen Luang, and its co-conveners, K. Thoiba Y. Khomba, L. Shyamkuman, and president of YSCU Club, Wahingbam Laikai, S. Umasankar, attended the observance as men dignitaries. Floral tributes were paid at the portrait of Lamyanbai Irabot on the occasion. Attendees also observed a minute silence as a mark of respect to those who lost their lives in the current crisis. Speaking on the occasion, Phairoism Nando Luang said, PPCM has been providing self-defense training to students in various schools. He expressed the need of brave people like Irabot in the society.
PPCM amadi lingkongna waksana pangtokjaribugi maramdi Manipurda Irabot mioi khara mathau tarakwa amagi yamna tangai phadaba ama leire habisigi pawgel amasu akoi pijaribe maramdi Irabot legidra matung masi sayu mudrani fei surabani sigi barak achouba ahoba Manipurda le Mariba Nungsiba, Mariba ki Tungki Kanba, Adugumba, Tungi Mariba ki Mafurukina, Masaki Pamdagi Hena, Miguel Kamisi, Erectabana Maduguma Mise, a boy Mania Matinabama, Matata, Habidumas were Sinjay I see a single Manipura Tulita, Pima Mama, lady. Masika Yilakana, I quite using a sinner, they back me am Kandaba, they back me am the Karibami, they back me am the Karayona. Ware kari habise masi ningjing bimota kaya kaya ki oiba wakalda kaya ki badum ba pamada thabak ko mo kibne.
While KH Gopen Luang said the society should not forget the role of Irabot in building the state, he also said that the ministers and MLAs are still sticking to their posts even when the public has demanded their resignations in the current crisis.
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ MLA ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ MLA ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯐꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯝ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯎ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯐꯝꯗꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯕ ꯆꯧꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯕꯨ ꯀꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯕꯣꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯂꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯈꯔꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ MLAꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅꯦ ꯇꯛꯑꯒꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯡꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯟꯊꯣꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ PBCMꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡ MLAꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯀꯞ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ.
Youth Frontal Organization YFO has stated that at this crucial juncture, ministers and MLAs should not differentiate between ruling and opposition parties. Media Publicity Secretary of Youth Frontal Organizations YFO Thoubal, Momo Moirangtham, in a press conference held at their office in Thoubal yesterday, maintained that the organization had already heard the stains of 5 MLAs from Thoubal district. Momo appealed to Chief Minister N. Biren to lead a team of ruling and opposition MLAs and meet the central leaders collectively and restore peace and normalcy in the state at the earliest.
Opposition ruling portfolio paidaba haibagi wafum thibam thoktabra haina khanjai ikai khumnabada matik charaba ekhoigi honorable sarsiam opposition ruling thibidana hojik manipur da lehoriba MLA sing punna luching biraga hanadagi Delhi da leiraba ekhoigi MLA sing punna punbiraga central government unabiraga manipur gi irang siang punna losin dinaba thubama tamda warisin amma pubirago haina haijaningi loina na Delhi da awab kaya mayung naduna Manipur da amukhana santije hanjilakna bahona biriba Europe Manipur gi team busu Youth Frontal Organization Thoubal district na haningai litana thagachaba.
On the other hand, member of Youth Frontal Organization 𝐶𝐄𝐲 expressed desire for MLAs and ministers to act and not just provide lip service. She reminded them that there are thousands of youths behind them who will take up necessary steps to make them act if they do not act on their own.
Sengna pangthok oiba taragadi akoi full support tawjage chinda dang oiba taragadi matungda so koina moibu gyan ta ba moibu tung hodokna ba koi thapa makadum satha jagani kariguma moina thapa koina tawra taragadi akoi youth singna koi full support tawjage.
While another member of the organization, Moirangtham Keroda, contended that if the Chief Minister acts as a guardian and takes a tough stand towards central government, we will surely overcome the crisis. We do not want war, and let's all work towards restoring peace and normalcy in the state, added Keroda. Pradhan of Langjing Gram Panchayat, members and officials distributed job cards to about 83 inmates of relief camp set up at Lamboy Khongnangkhong in the first phase and provided them with level work for 12 days. One of the beneficiaries thanked the Pradhan of Langjing Gram Panchayat members and officials of this generous act. He also appealed to the government to provide job cards to other inmates. On the other hand, GRS of Langjing Gram Panchayat, PK Puneshwari, said the job cards are being provided under the instructions of top officials of the department to alleviate hardships facing the inmates. Apart from providing job cards, bank accounts have also been opened. Pradhan members, GRS and women of Hainobok also distributed daily essentials to the inmates.
Akwai sideda akwai job card holder wena akwai gi Hainobok Gram Panchayat Langjing Gram Panchayat ke makhada akwai job card thabuk sujaba lakjabani sideda Pradhan member amasung Nupi Samaj Club amasung Maira Paibi singna yam phajana welcome to bidna waraba tampham asida thabuk macha ama pibidna akwai gi angang sing asigi khorsa pursa kharata ursu ngamjana manta pina biba thaba se phangbada akwai yamna haraujai sirumdai matamda phangbai sing khuju amaga samman akwai haraujai makha taba thabak suan dinaba haina akwai na sarkar gi maiki dasu hajiri.
Lamboi Khonangkhom relief camp da leiba inmate mayam da narega gi oina phugi sar dpc na Langjing gram panchayat da job card khara issue tok je adugi tawbiba job card mayam do thabuk pi bani adu date 14 dagi hobone adu date 25 da loiba andak han oina job card ki thabuk pi bani relief camp da leiba mi mayam dugi mayam di kidang saphana ba paisa khara tona ba awaba khara kokna ba adugi phi sar Imphal West dpc na sinbira padagi si
Khuman Ima Panthoibi Mairalup and Khuman Youth Development Club extended financial assistance to Ningthaujam Prem Kumar of Hairok Part 2 Bazar Mamang, who has been undergoing treatment at RIMS after sustaining bullet injury on his right leg after the infamous Balil incident where the personnel of 26th Assam Rifles opened indiscriminate fires on public. Speaking on the sidelines, President of Khuman Ima Panthoibi Mairalup, N. May Malaima, said this help was extended as part of the ongoing assistance program by both the clubs. She also appealed to the public to extend help as well. Thoubal Municipal Council TMC organized Safai Mitra Suraksha Sivir to create awareness about social welfare schemes among sanitary workers and self-help groups at the town hall of the council yesterday. A free medical was also held on the occasion. The event was held to benefit sanitary workers and self-help groups as part of India's government's garbage-free society movement, starting 15th of this month until 2nd of next month. Speaking at the event as chief guest, DC of Thoubal A. Shubha said sanitary workers and self-help groups play an important role in the society. It is because of them that Thoubal town is ranked first both in Manipur and India in cleanliness. It is in recognition to this that the India government is taking up various welfare schemes for them at the aided Shubhas. He also added that there is no point if schemes are not put into actions.
Thoubal Municipal Council की area से पेदोंगई येंबदा ममांग दसु कोई award में हम लौरखरे यमना लूबा नानबा एखोई garbage से हम कन्ना उबा फंगदबा मफम मम ओइबनी मसीगी अचौबा दायित्व लौबिरिबा Municipal Council असिगी sanitary worker अमसुंग self-help group की एखोई नुक्तिगी door to door campaign चपीरिबा इसिनी नाउ सिंबु आई district administration की तरफ तगी आई अमुक हन्ना आई थागत फोंदोक सरी self-help group अमो ओइना लेरगा waste collection सिगी केनो बुखक नतना अतोप अतोपा सिनफम मयाम अमा एखोई self-help group ओइना पाइबा याय हाइबनिदा सिगी से पाइरगा हेना सेंथोक लंबी लेहनबा होनसी
Lilong Municipal Council LMC also observed the Safai Mitra Suraksha Sivir. A free medical camp was also held on the occasion. Sanitary workers of Lilong, Thoubal Municipal Council and city team members took benefits of the medical camp, which was conducted jointly with Sir Hospital Kangabok at Lilong Ima Market. Executive Officer of the council, Mainam Rajan, was also present at the medical camp. Manipuri in Kolkata, MIK has held relief camps in Manipur. For the last 2 days, MIK has been distributing sanitary items, stationery items, dry cakes, biscuits, milk powders and other essential items at relief camps set up at Biramangol College, Sawombung, Manipur, College, Singjamai, Shyamashakhi High School, Moirangkhom, Khuman Lampak and Moirang College. MIK has appealed to the relevant authorities to restore peace and normalcy in the state at the earliest. It may be mentioned that MIK has already helped about 16 relief camps in July. A UK health expert has said that disease 𝐻, the name given by World Health Organization WHO, can cause another pandemic deadlier than COVID-19. In an interview to Daily Mail, Kate Bingham, who served as the chair of the UK's Vaccine Task Force from May to December 2020, said the new virus could have a similar impact to the devastating Spanish flu of 1919 to 1920. According to WHO, disease 𝐻 could be a new agent, a virus, a bacterium or fungus without any known treatments. Expressing her concern, Ms. Bingham said, "Let me put it this way. The 1918 to 19 flu pandemic killed at least 50 million people worldwide. Twice as many were killed in World War I. Today, we could expect a similar death toll from one of the many viruses that already exist. If the world has to tackle the threat from disease X, the world will have to prepare for mass vaccination drives and deliver the doses in record time, she told the Daily Mail. The expert further said that scientists have identified 25 virus families, but there could be more than 1 million undiscovered variants, which may be able to jump from one species to another. In a sense, we got lucky with COVID-19, despite the fact that it caused 20 million or more deaths across the world. The point is that the vast majority of people infected with the virus managed to recover. Imagine disease X is as infectious as measles with the fatality rate of Ebola. Somewhere in the world it's replicating, and sooner or later somebody will start feeling sick, said Ms. Bingham. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. After double murder photo goes viral, students rise in anger. Many students hurt. State government says murder case of 2 students handed over to CBI. Investigation on, appeals to public to remain calm. And 6 student bodies of Manipur condemned brutal murders of 2 innocent students. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.